You ready? Okay. Hey, Levi, are you ready?
Ready?
Ready? Press here and turn the page. Can you press there? The page turned. Great. Now press the yellow dot again. Can you press the yellow dot? All right, hold on. Perfect. Now rub the dot on the left. Can you rub it? Oh, gently. That's nice. Well done. And now the one on the right. Gently. What color is that? Red? Fabulous. Now 5 quick taps on the yellow.
Oh, red.
Can you tap it 5 times?
1, 2, 3, 4.
5. And 5 taps on the red.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5.
And finally 5 taps on the blue.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Perfect. Try shaking the book. Can you shake it? Let's see what happens when we shake the
I
book.
just got red.
Not bad, but maybe shake it harder. Shake it harder. Oh. All right, can you tell Matt and Coco, say thank you?
Thank you.
Can you look at the screen, say thank you?
Thank you.